Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I want to share something really powerful, and that is the restaurant order and pickup section that I am creating for the restaurant template. This order and pickup flow is containing a lot of features, and I want to quickly run through them inside the backend and then show you the preview, because the preview will give you a really good indication of what it's capable of. So if we take a look first at the very first section, basically, once they get to this flow, this order and pickup flow, we are going to check their user's account. Are the email and phone number already inside their account? Then we're going to request them to confirm them if the data is still valid. If not, we are going to request the email and phone number directly and then continue towards this flow again. Inside the next step, we will check if the user has enough loyalty points to redeem any of the available offers. So previously the loyalty system was only available to basically redeem offers inside the reservation section. So basically the redeeming section. It would create a QR code of the free offer, and then at the payment of the bill, basically the waiter or the one who manages the bill basically scans the code, the QR code, and then fills in some data, and the user will be able to basically deduct the free offer from the bill, right? Now I also added the integration directly inside of the order and pickup system. So the system checks if the user has enough points to redeem. And if we take a look in the back end, you will see that currently I have 300 loyalty points. So keep that in mind for just a little bit. And if we take a look at the loyalty offers, these are all being dynamically pulled into the chatbot. So if you change anything here, it will basically fetch the new information directly from the Google Sheet. So this is also a great way for restaurants to manage their offers or other data like business details and stuff like that, right? You will be able to set it up inside the Google Sheet, just give access towards the Google Sheet towards the customer, and then the customer can handle all their data inside the Google Sheet, where the chatbot fetches everything dynamically. So it's really powerful combination between chatbot and the integration with Google Sheets itself. As you can see, we have a few offers here, right? So we have a free drink, we have free appetizers, burgers, desserts, free main course. Of course, this is all dummy data. You can customize this fully to your own liking, change the offer, change basically the image URLs and stuff like that, right? But this is good enough for a demo, I think. As you can see, these are the offers available. So the system checks for the available offers, then displays them towards the user, and the user can basically redeem them by adding it towards the cart, and then the system will check for the product ID, match that inside the native e-commerce of UChat, grabs the variant ID, and then adds it towards the cart. So a lot is going on inside that single flow. Last but not least, the user can basically continue to order like normal, but we have two options for ordering. So if we take a look here, we have a function flow that checks the interaction of the channel where the user is coming from. So we have something that's called channel exceptions, like WhatsApp, WhatsApp Cloud, and Telegram, which basically means that those channels do not support gallery cards as they should natively, right? Not like Messenger and web chat, for example, where you can scroll through the gallery cards horizontally. You can just swipe, or if you are on a device that is not touch, you can just press the right arrow button, and then you will basically be able to scroll through the gallery cards horizontally. Those exception channels basically have the gallery cards displayed on top of each other, so vertically aligned. So if you have a lot of products, it does not look good. So for those channels, we are going not with a gallery card. As you can see here, we have the categories, right? Well, we're going to show the categories as quick replies instead, because those work on every single channel. Then we're going to fetch the available products, and then we're going to display a single gallery card instead. This basically gives the user access to also visually look at the product they want to order. Then a bunch of things are running in the backend, some JSON operations that are needed to fetch all the available data from this product. And then we are going to ask them for the quantity, it will be added towards the cart. And then soon as the user wants to check out, right, then we have a JavaScript in place. So this is a really advanced module inside of UChat, and you can create complete JavaScript codes if you have the knowledge at least. So what this JavaScript function does is it generates a printable and readable order receipt for you. It saves it inside of a custom field, and you can use that to, for example, export the entire order to a Google Sheet. Really, really simple, instead of getting a JSON array inside of a custom field. So we will then give the order details. So for example, we are preparing your order right now. You should be ready for pickup within 45 minutes. Order ID, and then you will get the order receipt. Below the order details, we will calculate in the backend what the new loyalty points for that user will be. And then we're going to confirm that towards the user as well. So you have been added these new loyalty points. In total, you will have this. The user can then check the offers available to them by going towards the balance, basically the balance flow, right? To check their wallet, basically. But this is all integrated natively inside the chatbot. So no external wallet is needed. Everything is being calculated and added directly inside the chatbot. Or they can go back towards the main menu. So now with this quick look and peek in the backend, let's preview this. So I think that is the most fun part. So let's go with preview. Let's open it inside of a web browser. And let's see what we will be getting. So first off, we will be getting the question if the details are still correct, right? So as you can see here, if I say yes, they are, the chatbot is going to take a look if we have any available offers we can redeem. As you have 300 points, you have enough to redeem one of the 3 offers available to you. Would you like to redeem an offer? So let's say select an offer. Then those offers will be dynamically pulled from the Google Sheet as mentioned. We can select any of these offers. So let's say we want a free burger. So take note that in the Google Sheet, if we take a look at my total points, I have 300, right? If I'm going to select this, you will see that the points will be deducted as well. But you will see that this free burger is now being added as a product inside your cart as well. So you will get a free burger. If we take a look at the Google Sheet, you will see that I now have just 100 loyalty points left. If we say continue ordering, we can basically order anything we like to. So if we say view food, let's add something like a salad. Again, this is just dummy data, right? So it does not make any sense in the food menu that I prepared, but this is something that you can customize yourself. So let's say we are going to continue shopping and I want to add some fries as well. Because fries are have variants, so for example, small, medium and large in this case, it will be displayed inside of a web view where you can choose which size that you want to. So let's go with medium, and let's say I want to have 3 medium fries. I'm going to say add to cart, and then you will see that it's been added towards the cart as well. So if we take a look at view cart now, you will see that all these products have been added, right? We can say continue ordering. Let's order a drink as well. I just have a cola. So let's add that towards the cart. There we go. And then we can say view the cart one more time. And then we can say check out. So once we check out, you will notice that we have a total of $35.95, which means that the points calculated as the setup currently is. And again, this is dynamic, so you can determine how many points a user gets. But I set it up as you will get 1 point per every $10 that you spend. So that means that a user should now get 3 or 4 points added. So let's see if this calculation has been done properly, right? So we're going to say place the order. Then we will go back and you will see that the order details have been formatted. So you get a nice printable receipt this way, right? So you have a free burger, which is $0, of course. You have the Caesar salmon salad and the French fries and a cola. We have the total amount. So we have the order ID, the total amount, and the total amount here as well. This is a subtotal, by the way. And then as you can see, you have been added 3 points for your order mark. So because the $40 has not been reached, you will get 3 points added because we are going to floor the amount with a calculation. So we get 3 points. And as you can see, in total you have 103 points. Check below if you would like to see your available rewards. So if we take a look, check my offers, then we can say my available offers. And you will see those offers only dynamically being pulled in because I have way less points now. So I only have access to these offers. I can also say show all offers, so I can get a sense of what is being offered, right? As you can see here, it will display all the available offers, or I can just go back towards the main menu. But as you can see, this order and pickup system is really advanced, and it really allows you to set up a really good system, integrate a loyalty program inside of it, and be able to basically do whatever you want inside this order and pickup system. So if you are interested in this restaurant template, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will contact you with more details regarding the pricing and the features that are included inside this template. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this quick preview, and I will talk to you later this week with more information and more sneak peeks behind the scenes of this restaurant template. So for now, take care, and I will talk to you really soon.